Welcome back to Baking with your toddler. Today we're going to be making Hocus Pocus. They also call it magic marshmallows, among other things. So, should we wash our hands so we can have it? Here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do one thing of crescent rolls. Any brand works. I always go with the generic.
I'll do it.
Yeah, peel. Is it stuck? Okay, my grandma help you a little bit here. I kind of kept this off to the side so we could pop it when we need it to. Okay.
Oh, that's moving.
Whoa! Look at that!
Yeah.
Yummies!
Yummy.
You ready?
Oh.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll it. Can you get it all wet in the butter? No, not that one. This one. Here, let's set that one over here. That's yours. We'll set it there. Okay, can you roll that one around? Get it all covered in butter. Give it a butter bath. Cover it with the... Now this is just... Normally they suggest about 1/4 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon. But in this case, I do extra. So I do about 1 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of cinnamon, approximately, till it's just nice. And then it gives more for the child to cover, so they can kind of blend. It's kind of like sand, isn't it? Does that remind you of sand? Here, you can use your fingers and just turn it like that. Get it all rolled up. So they can take their time playing and covering it. It's just kind of a fun little thing for them. You got it? Okay. And then we will unwrap one of the crescent rolls. So we'll set this down next. And we will put the marshmallow in the middle. And then we'll fold this up around it and pinch it to where the marshmallow, where'd it go? It's all gone, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we squished it. Squish, 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 squish. Okay. Oops, all done. Is that your favorite part, is the squish, squish? Okay, and then you just want to look if there's like little holes like this, you want to pinch them shut, because when that marshmallow melts in the oven, it will disappear. There we go. So one done. All right. Ready to do another one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to put that butter back over here. Roll it in the butter first. Get it all gooey. Can you get the end? You gotta get this end too. Tip it over. There. Now roll it around. No, don't like your hands. Roll it around. Oh, you're doing a good job. By us doing this for a while, you can see she's got a really nice handle on that spoon. And for a toddler, it's easy for an adult to hold on to a spoon or to turn things, but for a toddler, it takes a lot of practice to get that grasping down. Oops.
Gonna be marshmallow gooey up here.
You did a good job.
Oh no, you get this covered up. It's baseball.
Beautiful. And it's kind of like a baseball, yes.
Yeah. Oh.
Are you making baseballs with marshmallows in the middle? But we don't throw them, huh? We eat them later. Because they're going to be yummy.
Yeah, you're gonna be up here again.
Woo! Like that, yeah. Okay. Roughly 10 to 15 minutes, and we already have our oven preheating to 375. So should we stick them in?
Hold on.
Gotta save the sugar. Pretty good. So now these we gave about 10, well these were 10 minutes on the plate, the 4 of them together on the peach plate. And this one was 15, so it's just slightly darker. So you can do it either way depending on what you prefer, light or dark. So you can squeeze it. Oh, look at that.
The marshmallow.
The marshmallow disappeared.
Where?
Hocus Pocus.
Uh-oh.
All gone. So you want to try it?
Yeah.
The marshmallow melted. So now it's all yummy sweetness inside.
Where?
It's inside there. It's the juice. See the juice? See all the squishy juice? That was the marshmallow melting. Okay, give it a bite and see what you think. Tell Grandma what you think. Is it a keeper? Do we make these again? It is good, huh? Tastes like cinnamon roll?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, juice inside.
It's juicy inside. That's where the marshmallow melted and put all that sweet yummy in there, huh?
Sugar.
And you get to lick it. Mmm. All right. See you next time.